Leonis Adobe Museum. I'll be your tour guide. My name's Miss Pat. What did children do 100 years ago on a ranch like this? There was no town. There were no toy stores to go visit. They had to make their toys out of whatever they could find. And on this ranch, there were lots of corn husks from the blue corn. And this is what they used. When the corn grows, the husks protect the kernels. And now, after it's picked, you hang this up to dry. And this is what the dolls are made out of. All right, step number 1. To make our corn husk doll, we need corn husks. And you'll need about 4 of them. Now, the night before we make our doll, you need to put the corn husks in water and let them soak. That makes them nice and bendable. If you don't have corn husks, you know what? You can get a piece of material and you can make your doll out of material just the same way that you do with the corn husks. All right, we're going to work with the corn husks today. We put them in a pile and we fold them over, and then we fold them top to bottom like this so that you have a little body. I know it doesn't look much like a doll yet, but it will. Now we need to tie right around the top and make the little head. And it will look like this. If you made it out of material, you'd have a little doll with it tied right there. Let's make the arms. Take another piece of the husk and roll it up like this. Tie off close to the edges there. This will be the arm, and this will be the hands. Take your doll and find this open space. Slip the arms in there like that. Oh, she's gonna be cute, isn't she? She's got nice long arms. See how we did it? And now in a minute, I'll tie right around the waist. And here's our little doll with it tied around the waist. And now the arms, you can bend the arms forward. Here's the head, just form it a little bit like that, and there is our corn husk doll. Maybe you should give it a name.